Today we're going to be playing Risk of Rain.
Okay, Grayson, I thought you were done, so I started recording, and now you like made an intro, and I don't like it.
Wait, what?
Nothing. Lock in, Grayson. We're playing with Metamorphosis.
I hate myself.
Yeah, I hate black people. So
Also, I didn't know. You didn't specify. You weren't being clear. I was just going off the cuff. I don't know, cut that out.
yeah,
Aiden's trying to slander me. He's trying to silence me. He knows I know more than him, and it scares him
something of
because
the
he's a
sorts.
freak of nature.
You hear thunder rumbling? What does that mean?
I don't know. I keep seeing random stuff like that. I'm not entirely sure what it means. I don't shoot. Anyway. Also, I was
Anyway,
not watching Yap Dollar, okay?
you were definitely watching Yap Dollar,
I
bro.
was not watching Yap Dollar, bro.
Watching Yap Dollar.
Also, the last time I watched Yap Dollar, you were watching it with me, so don't even start.
Indeed, I was. Dibs, dibs.
Just calling on the whole fucking map, why not?
Wait,
I want this,
uh,
and I want this, and I
dibs.
want this.
Yo, tooth. I'll take it. It's just stupid bison. Monkey. Kill something. I need a
It
little
takes,
bit of
it
money.
takes, it takes every single, like, single neuron in my brain to comprehend the fact that you don't have to reload while playing Bandit. That clicking R is not the reload button, but an actual, complete different thing.
Yeah, Lungus. It's very nice, especially early game.
Who?
I got a Lungus.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Am I super quiet?
No, not really.
Okay, just making sure.
Not like audio wise, but I mean, you kind of just talk quiet. Oh, I just got saber spaces.
Nice, big. Maybe Thunder Rumbles just means that there's like a thing here. Like a Halcyon Shrine or whatever.
Oh yeah, honestly, maybe.
Make sure we're killing little bug guys so they don't freak out and make shit crazy.
Yeah, I know. I was just trying to chase one down.
Let's go. Fireworks, my favorite item.
Oh my god, bro. The run is saved. Go hoof. Gimme, gimme.
Sticky bomb. I'll take it. Whatever.
Oh my god, it's Grassoline. Got that finna in my system. There's something special about saying that and then shooting a child from the other side of the map. Wow, bison steak. Chat, we win.
Yeah, I have one of those too.
Yep. Oh yeah, there's a Halcyon shrine right there in the middle.
Okay, we can do that after I get this chest.
Knockback Finn, wow. What a kind and merciful god you are.
Indeed. Give it to me. Yay. Oh, server spaces. Nice. For tougher times. Oops. TP's over here. Let's do Halcyon Shrine to get money, and then we can go open the rest of the chest. And then
Medkit. Yeah, you can't really find any more chests.
we have an export over there, so there's probably some over there.
Yoil cake.
Indeed.
If you know what loyal cake means, hit that follow button.
Where are all the men? No. You have Shuriken?
What?
I thought I heard the Shuriken sound effect.
No, it's the weird little knife thing.
My favorite item.
Alrighty. Thank you. Keep that in, keep that in.
Leave it in, leave it in.
You are shitting yourself. Go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom. You're shitting yourself. That's what he said. We just couldn't tell. Shrine's about to be done. Never mind.
It just didn't get picked up on my mic.
Yeah, it didn't get picked up all the way.
Yeah, it was an audio
He was yelling
glitch.
so loud that it couldn't.
I was crying, kicking my feet, and screaming as shit just cascades down my chair.
Yeah. Something of this sort. I'm gonna kill some more shit.
Alright.
Dude,
What do we got?
need like just the tip. is left. So
I don't like the way you talk. Period.
I don't like the way you look, Blackie.
Blackie's crazy. It's not my fault. Your veins are filled with salsa and chorizo.
You don't even say it right.
Lame ass. I just said I did it on purpose. God.
Chorizo.
Chorizo.
Here, B, I'm gonna try to find some shit to kill.
Little Miss
Just kidding, I
Enchilada.
give up. Oh, yay, more men. Enough. Nice big man is here.
Oh, okay, wow. He just came up from behind me. You're just gonna rail me from behind like that? You better have shockwaves to finish the job.
He's after me, so you can hopefully get back shots on him. Oh, he turned around. He's that easy.
Yep. I got him with Desperati. Goat hoof. That.
Oh, sir. That's reasonable. I don't see much up here.
I got that fin in my system.
License stay printer.
Knockback fin Loki has been messing me up a couple of times. Wait, what was it? What did you say? What kind of printer?
License stake.
Ugh. A white scrap printer.
Pretty much. I think that's it. I don't see anything else over here.
Yeah. Oh, I found another chest.
No, give it to me. You have more items than me. No.
No.
Thanks, kid.
You're a little. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's the other two.
I never die. Oh man. Hey, safer spaces. Start the temple order. Start the TP order.
Hello, child. Wondering maybe. Dude, did you see me perfectly time that nade to land on his head? Or maybe horny. Oh shit. Very good. Nice. Anything we care about? You can take those since you have Jade Elephant.
Ooh, yeah, that's actually kind of. Yeah, I definitely. I was not prioritizing Desperado enough. Like I was going out of my way to do it, but still, I could have gotten way more stacks.
Went there for you. I don't have Lunar Queen share and pick up, so I'll just let you take them.
Got that finite in my system.
Wait, does the chronic expansion actually count? Wait, here, hold on. Let me kill someone.
Does what?
Okay. If I kill this, does the number go up? I don't know. Chronic expansion, it's a little thing. It's like a little thingy on his waist, and it says 000 like the numbers because it counts your kills. I'm not seeing if the display actually updates. He kills something. But it does. Not good visual. Kill the healing bloke. Yeah. Give my heals. Okay.
God, Bandit is so unbelievably consistent.
Yeah, that's great. Don't go to TV, I'm going to this change room. Maybe I'll get a wed.
A wet item, wet away.
A rusted key, which could be a wed. 20% chance.
20%.
20%.
Dude, do you get that finna in your system, low key?
That vent in my system. Vent in my system.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how much yap dollar do you consume?
Not much, actually.
Like on a daily
I don't
basis?
get it recommended to me very often.
Really?
You can take that healing chest.
He feels like he's
I
like your
forgot I'm not
target
Commando
demographic.
anymore.
Yeah, I just realized I'm Commando.
Yeah,
I got that finna in my system. Yeah, no, I just tried to use stupid.
Yeah, I tried to use
thingy.
I tried to use his roll and I threw a shockwave grenade on the ground.
Yeah, I mean it still worked.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. Railgunner gameplay must be amazing to view. The constant POV change.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. For your viewing pleasure.
I got a vase.
That was not an attempt to get that item, I promise.
Look
That
out
was a
for
misclick.
lockbox.
Okay. You gain 99 gold. Making hella bank off these chant shrines. Or not chant shrines, these blood shrines. I got that finite in my system. Oh, yo, there's a scrapper here.
Thank you, I need that. God damn, dude. Crazy, I can hit mid-air fucking jump shots, but I can't hit a beetle in a straight line.
Figures.
Now, there's 2 chests over here, don't forget about those. Push that up.
Kinda only get one guess. I feel like I'd be a lot better off.
Also, you can take that multi-shot that was there. I don't know. There's nothing that I care about.
No, not even like extra boss damage or anything?
I figured that was what you were gonna take.
No. I just realized you were kind of right in the same direction. Yo cake. Yeah, I'm gonna go for extra boss damage. What's making that little lightning strike happen?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because I'm... Oh, that's what the right click and then the mouse one does. My bad. Yeah, the weird flux capacitor thing. Also, lockbox is back here.
Like over on the ledge.
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
Me when I hit a 360 no scope, but I can't shoot a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Bigger jellyfish. Bigger jellyfish. That's still so funny to me. I hate myself. I got that finite in my system.
Okay, I have 5 lights cranked up. Oh shit. That jellyfish just gave me 9 grand. Wait, I'm gonna go hit lockbox. Do we know where TP is yet?
Yeah, I saw it before, and I lost it. Or no, it's over here. It's that way. I've actually got some pretty decent items so far.
You have a lot of items.
I'm lucky. Also, TP's right here.
Where's the lockbox? Oh, I see it. Red.
Oh man, every time I eat one of these, I got a shit.
One second. Intercoin over here in the corner if you care about it.
Potion armor plate.
Normally just grab it, it falls off so much.
Yep. Let's go from 1 to 10. How much Fena do you have in your system?
10.
I just get 10. At least like this many. You're like flashing your fingers up at the screen.
10 in my system. Yeah.
Okay, get rid of that. Alright, you ready to do TP?
Hold on, let me check this corner for chests and then we can. Nope, you've already been here. Why did you get that chest with these ones? Can I get both these guys? No. Okay, hello, mushroom man. No, mushroom man. I'm coming.
Can you do temple order?
Yes, you can. I'm right here.
Yippee! Permission to attack.
I messed up the fucking timing. Crazy how much damage Railgunner goes. Let me take.
Hopu. Oh, Hopu for there. Yo cake. I always feel so useless whenever I'm playing with a Railgunner, because like specifically a commander, because you start shooting at someone and then all of a sudden it's like it catches the attention of the Railgunner and then they just put them out of their misery for you.
Yeah, I
I feel
mean,
like a waste of space.
sometimes the ones that I don't one-shot, you put them under the threshold or over the threshold that I can one-shot them. Unlucky.
Kill yourself. Fortnite! 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 Who's your favorite out of the Costco guys crew? Because there's like a whole cinematic universe.
I like the dad with the really bright eyes.
He reminds me of the That's a Lot of Damage guy, low-key.
Oh, Phil Swift?
What?
Bill Swift?
Don't pretend like you actually know his name.
What's his name?
Okay.
Why are you saying it like I'm like...
No, I think you're lame for knowing his name.
I'm sorry, you don't know the flex tape guy? Hello?
I know, but no one knows his actual name. They just know he's the Flex Tapes guy.
I'm Phil Swift.
Yeah, I know, you're weird. You're weird.
He literally says his name in the commercials.
And that's not the part that everyone clips, though. So, like, it basically never happened. Oh, wait, I just realized I'm multi.
Dibs.
On the entire printer?
No, on this.
Oh. Say, I need it. I need it. I got that finna in my system.
Fentanyl in my system.
Got that sweet, sweet Fenny tea, motherfucker.
Yes, game. Power elixir printer over here.
Power elixir?
Yeah. That guy's hitbox is weird.
Yeah, it like the thing moves around really finicky, or like the way it moves around is really finicky, but it's like actually just right on top of your crosshair, like it's perfectly centered, which is very weird. Also, there's a scrapper right next to this thing over here.
Sick. Oh, that might be good for my beam. Didn't even realize. If you get crit losses, let me have them.
There you go. Actually, no. What the hell? Why?
I have Sears with the laser. It takes a shit.
Yeah, I know, but you're gonna be playing a different character next round.
Yeah, but okay, it could be even better next round. I could get Ando or multi.
I'm playing multi.
Uh-huh. You don't have Sears, do you?
I hate you.
If you don't got a braid,
Hit that follow button.
Oh, hello, Zycon Shark.
Oh, yo, hi. Hey, buddy. Frenzy on multi is a scary thing.
Oh, I forgot it applies to me too. Let me clean up the surrounding.
Like the gong plus frenzy, just you just shoot so fast. It's not funny.
He's a shield. He's shielding. Oh, I forgot I have 2 double jumps. He's on the ground. He does to me, I think.
Are you kidding me? Big chest leeching seed.
Unlucky.
See, how come when I flashbang him, it's like you just got in the face with a napkin from a little kid's birthday party.
I opened my big chest and I got a 3rd hope with it there.
How nice. How sweet. I love that for you.
I got a fourth go-to from this chancer.
I just got a roll of pennies.
And
And then power elixir.
don't start banging your chest or anything.
Actual white scrap city.
There's
Actual white scrap city.
Wool here. If if there's a thingy that gives you a lunar item, you can get a pearl. Damn, I'm getting a mixture of jack shit and a little bit of fuck all. I need more money. I need things to spawn. Oh, there's some things.
Backup magazine.
Backup magazine.
If you know how to braid, hit that follow button. I swear to God, this is literally so entertaining right now. Oh, second topaz brooch. Lord have mercy. Lord save us from the demons that are the barren children. Thank you, Jesus.
English monkey.
Monkey is crazy. Last time I checked, you're a filthy Totino's pizza roll eating fuck.
Dude, unironically, those Totino's oven pizzas sound so fucking good. They're like rectangle ones that you put in the oven.
Yes, I know the little rectangle ones that you put in the oven.
I like making two and then stacking them on top of each other.
That is some Nikocado stuff. That's actually wild.
Because
taking two pizzas and stacking them on top of each other.
Because what you make like
a pie. I'm not talking to you. I'm not hearing you out on this.
So the one that's on top, you flip it over. So you're only holding crust, and then you eat it like a.
What is wrong with you?
Well, so that you don't get like grease and shit on your fingers, and one is never enough.
The greasiest part is the bottom. Do you hold the top of the pizza?
So you don't get sauce
when you're eating it.
So you don't get sauce on your hand and cheese.
No, you don't touch the top of the pizza. You only touch the bottom of the pizza while you hold a pizza slice.
Yeah, you can't even afford pizza. Shut up.
Okay, your pizza are just your pizza are just tacos that aren't folded sideways. That's what you get. And it's like the Mexican pizza from at Taco Bell. Yeah, you get the Cheez-It thing that they push in. I hate that thing. I refuse to even think about trying it.
The cheesy
Cheez-It pizza. Yeah, it's vile. Okay, what's your Taco Bell order?
Like 5 just meat and cheese tacos, soft tacos.
Are you serious?
Or just like 2 of the big chicken quesadillas.
That's actually so lame. I get the what's his face? I get like the Chalupa Supreme taco, not Supreme, but the weird Chalupa taco, where it's like got the hard shell and chalupa outside. I get one of those. I get like a beefy 5-layer, and then like maybe I'll get like a quesadilla or something on the side, or like the French fries. The French fries are so good. I love that. You're not picky, bro. It's just you just eat 5 of one thing. Your order hasn't changed since you were 10. You just eat 5 more now.
Oh yeah, I mean you're exactly right.
Which I find funny.
I guess you're right about that actually. Can I vase up to him? I'll stick to the wall. He looks so funny when he spins like that. I wish I could look straight up!
Honestly, when he has the little thingies on him, it makes him so much easier to kill. Just because he's constantly hitting himself with gasoline. I'm getting an amazing view of Multi's ass right now. Trying to shoot up at this guy. I can only imagine what yours is like.
Get pissed at him.
Totino's pizza rolls, Sonic. Oh wait, there's 2?
2 what?
There's 2 bosses.
Well, no. Well, the TP's cleared. There's just another boss that spawned actually.
Oh.
Yeah, he's not a part of TP either. You can tell because there's no health bar on the screen. He's just
You
hanging
can
out
tell
too
by
easy.
the way that he is.
Indeed. Oh, damn it. Okay.
So long, so long. It's been real. Bye bye.
So long, good Bowser.
Oh, I didn't realize you clicked TP. I was just driving around killing stuff.
Accurate your...
Who do I get? Oh, okay. I guess
make,
I'm.
Make sure you're building your things. Just use it off cooldown so that when I do die, you can get me
Yeah,
back
which
up.
one is it? Is it R or Shift?
It's your very last one. The one, it looks like a lotus flare.
Void C.
Odd. Heresy. Do you want heresy? That's
I am
it's the
squishy.
second.
I am
This is the
squishy.
second one, I think. Do you need help?
Bro, I am so low. What the hell?
You ladies alright? Did you get jumped up by the little guys that squish you?
The little guys that squish you. You might have to elaborate.
Yeah, the little guys that squish you. I mean, that's pretty fucking self-explanatory. Or like the mushrooms. Did you step in mushroom gunk? Oh my god.
Oh
Collapse.
no.
And how scary collapse is.
Wait, Aiden, you went to the beach that makes you old?
I did. Oh my
You went
god!
to- What happened to the
No,
beach that makes you
collapse!
old?
You made me old.
Pooks, I'm over here.
Thinking. Can you come help me with Void Seed?
Yeah, I can give you heals, bro. That's like my sole purpose.
Well, let me heal for a second. Okay. I'm gonna go back up there.
I got you, King!
When I jump out, just be ready to get me. Okay, it seems this guy dies pretty easy.
Yeah, guillotine's
Get over
actually
here!
great for active.
Yeah. What's alive? It doesn't point to it in this. Oh, crab guy.
There's one up there.
Can you kill him for me while I kill crab guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop it. Where'd he go? Damn it. Oh, he jumped. Are you shooting him? No, he's poisoned from me. Oh, this. Okay, I think Void Seed might be done. No, there's one thing. Spicy. There's a fucking voided Blade Doom Strider. You wanna come kill him with me? I'm pretty sure this is the last guy. Does Leeching
Oh, I still have my Frenzy on cooldown, but I can't use it.
Does poison proc Leeching Seed?
What?
Does his poison proc Leeching Seed?
I don't remember.
We can kill him here. I have Geo. Yeah. Seed's down.
Dude, I gotta get bans. So if I had bans, my thing would be so much stronger.
Another hook over there. Nice.
Yeah, I do nothing damage-wise.
Yeah, Seeker's damage is weird.
Wait, what?
Seeker's damage is weird. Where was the Void Seed? I don't freaking...
Void Seed goes up there.
Nice. Could be stuff. Oh, yeah, here's Cradle. I got Sears again. Cool. I have a 1.5 chance. So, does poison proc Sears?
I have actually no clue.
Okay. Yes. No, never mind. That was a swipe that killed that. No, that. Sears. Oh shit. Please.
Do we need to get...
Let me out. We're good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, look what I just got.
What'd you get? Oh, did you?
Larva.
Oh, nice. Big. You see the second life you need?
Well, at least for this
What is
character.
wrong with this chance shrine? Come look at this chance shrine. Can you get to me?
I can't. I've got like 15 greater wisp on me.
Okay. Bro. Bye, bro. Hi, Mimi.
Oh, wait, you died?
Yep. Not good with Acrid. You need 2 more uses of it, I think.
Yeah.
Or if it's 6 or 7. But roses.
I didn't do it fast enough. If I did it faster, it would have been more, but I did not.
Musky baby. Anyways, you see that chance shrine? Look at the chance shrine behind you. Look up.
That one?
No, turn to 180 and then look up.
What you? Oh, that one?
Yeah, do you see it fucked up, or is that just on my screen?
How is it messed up?
Okay, I'll show you later after we record. Use your ability. Nice 2 coils.
2 is a bit excessive, but I'll take it.
Can you revive me now?
Yeah, where you at? Or it doesn't matter where you're at,
You
right?
just have to use it, yeah.
Ugh,
Okay,
one more.
yeah, one more, okay. I thought it was 7, I didn't remember exactly. You're lagging bad on my screen. There you go. Thanks, King. Oh, I forgot it's always respawn, so I'm Rex now.
Oh, sweet. My game just froze, bro. I thought that was you dying.
Here's my one. I have the shockwave, the tether, and
Have we hit legendary chest yet, or?
does Jade Elephant apply to everybody, or is it just you?
I think it might be just me.
Yeah, well, there's an equipment drone over here.
I mean, do you have shield right now?
No, I don't. Equipment drone there, so if we can get equipment, we can get it to him.
Also, there's a, what's his face? Focus crystal?
Okay.
Focus crystal thing right here. You might want to take that, just because you might
Just in
end up being
case.
loader.
Yeah, there's 2 equipment drones.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Ugh, I'm just a few bucks off. Do you see this guy? Never mind, I guess.
Hmm?
No, it's stone guy here. He's just kind of T-posing.
I forgot I have like a billion hub over there. A billion, I mean 4, but you know. There's no chance I can get big chest from you, right?
What do you mean? Big chest is down here. I just don't have enough cash. What? Fleek. Freakatoria.
There's gold men at my butthole. Oh, whoa. Like, what the fuck?
I got you, king. Oh, I guess not.
Kill it with fan, kill it with fan. Can I heal on this too? This one over there?
Spare drone parts.
No drones.
Yep. Literally best red item we could have gotten.
In that game.
Could have been Aegis, could have been anything, but nope. Very cool. We should start TP. We've been here for so long. I haven't really been looting, honestly. I haven't been grabbing many chests. I haven't grabbed any chests except for like one in those chant shrines. No.
If you think
Where's TP?
these, I have no idea.
If you think Indians don't have skibbity Liz, watch this.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Hey, sunshine!
Always
Your
need
level 10
almost
gap
be a
was
skippy
really at
cat.
me. Carson had promised me a skibbity fleek. Do it break my edging streak. Do you empathize more with Baby Gronk or Livy Dove?
Bloody gun.
Sorry. My bad.
Yeah,
Touchy
TV's
subject, I know.
though.
Apparently Lily's never heard me sing before, which was funny.
You don't like Kindred Spirits.
What?
I don't like Kindred Spirits.
Ooh. Oh, I see TP.
That's pink. Yeah. Let me get this. No.
My bad, gamer.
It's freaky tight. I have a vase here if you need to get out quickly. Takes you just up top. Hey, I wonder, can I? I don't know. Does his boop not work on bosses?
I don't know. No, it does, because it works on Dune Strider, but not all bosses can be moved like Dune Strider.
Okay.
Like Vagrant can be moved, Dune Strider can be moved.
Oh, yeah. It's a healing guy, I don't know, fuck me. Okay, and there's fucking healing fucking jellyfish. Why are there 4? 5! Hi, freaks. You know, this game is so fun, I almost forget that my parents are getting a divorce.
Are you cutting that out?
No, you can stay.
Bands! Yo! It's not fire band, but I mean, it's something.
You can take both.
You think of both?
You can take both.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you insist.
How would you like your eggs? Fried, scrambled, or
Otherwise.
photoized? I did not realize we hit TP.
You hit it.
Did I? No, I
Yes,
didn't.
yes, you did. I'm chef.
Did I?
Yes.
Oh, you're playing
Just,
chef. That's funny. I'm playing this guy. Isn't that funny?
uh I don't like this stage, to be honest.
Yeah, it's really big,
It's too
which is
vertical.
fine.
It's hard to traverse.
Huh?
Hmm.
Oh, I'm Rex now.
Oh yeah, you had. Oh, what got corrupted?
Oh, singularity band.
Oh, unlucky. I guess you have two of them. What is Chef's? What does his cleaver effect do?
What do you mean?
Like, you know how when I hit something with my cleavers, it leaves like a little cleaver symbol on their health. What does that mean?
I think that's just to mark that they've been hit by cleavers, because the whole idea is if you kill any enemy with 2 abilities, then it like
Gotcha.
it drops heals.
Oh, nice. It has a really. No, I took your D18. That's my fault.
I forgot how stressful it is playing Rex sometimes.
Wait, sales management? I'm like a race car. Instead of a race car, I'm like a robot chef. Cautious slide printer. Ping a big chest if we find one, because I got that cell star.
So should we hit a mountain shrine?
Why do we have two Dr. Old, I don't know, Gunman?
I have no clue.
Oh, it's funny. Maybe when you died and respawned at the same time, it like duplicated them.
There's another jade elephant here.
Okay, I'm gonna keep pace so we can skip to Mythrix.
Okie dokes. Yeah, Metamorphosis is weird. Like, it feels like I'm not even playing the game.
I like
You know?
Metamorphosis.
No, I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying it's like, it's weird.
This is ignite everything, including you and allies.
Take it. Why not?
I picked it up. I used my sales star. I forgot I had. It was okay. I can out heal the burn with Wongus. Can you out heal the burn? Is the question.
No.
Okay. Should we test it while we're safe? Oh, you're not safe. No, you have a whole bunch of siphon. You're Rex. You're fine.
Yeah, but like for this stage, I don't know. I've been dropping pretty low so far.
Okay. We can test it after TP whenever there's like nothing else spawning and just see how much damage it actually does. I don't know, currently I just dropped below 25 from this out of the Marion. Just chill out, Dragon Man.
Bro, I have so many cautious slugs.
And Gold Lily Marion is fucking awful. Jesus fucking Christ.
Like, I've got him pinned. I've got like everything on him.
He has so many debuffs on him and he's still fucking alive.
Dude, if I have him death mark, I run around if you would like triple my damage.
Do we know if Chef's things trigger deathmark?
If Chef's what?
If Chef's like status effects trigger deathmark?
I think they do.
Anyways, you wanna do TP?
Yeah.
I just saw it. Where's it? Where's it at? There's 3 of them, I think. Okay, I'm gonna do the thing. Yeah, I'm okay. I can out heal it with Lungus. Oh, it's only in my radius. Okay. Didn't know that. Thought it was like it just had triggered it and it did to everything.
I'm in a very different place.
Did you get launched super high or something? Okay, I'm gonna run around and get.
Kinda. I used the shockwave to back up, but right as they like pushed me away a little bit, so I just went flying.
Yeah, I'm gonna back up real quick to heal my sniper thing. Like up there all the way down. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna pop Hellfire. And why am I rooted? Okay, I'm gonna pop Hellfire Tincture and this is all undead. There's no way I don't die here. No, I'm good. I think I'm good. Hellfire is ticking on me, but it just keeps me up, I think.
Whoops.
It's okay. I think I have this.
Okay, BRB.
Holy fuck. Not much I can do there in reality. Chef was not a good. Oh, unlucky. And since he's not here, we must do the outro without him. Later, haters.